This trick with pantyhose really works. Do it once and you'll save money and stress. Take one pair of pantyhose. They can be old and any color. Soak them thoroughly under running water. They need to be fully saturated. That's very important. Then fold them into a square and put them in the freezer for several hours. The material should be completely frozen. Once frozen, take them out of the freezer. Lay them out on the counter. Now cut the material. Keep only the leg sections. Use scissors to cut them into thin, even strips. Use all of it. Every inch counts. Once the strips are ready, roll each one between your hands. Repeat this for every strip. This simple step will give the material a new shape and elasticity. This way you'll create reusable, soft hair ties that are gentle on the scalp and perfect for summer. Store them in your toiletry bag. Not only will you save money, but you'll also give a second life to an old pair of pantyhose. Try it once and you'll never throw any away again. When the heat is at its worst, grab some aluminum foil and a spray bottle. This duo will save you this summer. All you need is a bit of water in the spray bottle. Spray water over the entire surface of the window. Now, get some regular aluminum foil. This foil has a shiny side and a dull side. Tear off a piece of the foil and place it on the window with the shiny side facing out. The shiny side acts like a mirror, reflecting light. The damp window makes the foil stick to the glass instantly. Remember, the shiny side must be facing outside the house. Cover the entire window that is exposed to sunlight this way, piece by piece, until the foil covers the entire pane. The layer of aluminum foil will protect you from the heat. The reflective side effectively bounces the light away. This is a simple trick used by many people in Mediterranean countries. The heat no longer bothers me as much since I started using this method on all my windows. A simple trick that can lower the temperature in your home by several degrees. The key is one small addition that makes the effect surprisingly strong. Air conditioners can be very expensive to buy and consume a lot of electricity, so it's worth knowing cheaper and easier alternatives. Take a large empty bottle and fill it with tap water, but not all the way. Leave some space. Put the bottle in the freezer until it's completely frozen. Once the ice is ready, place the bottle in a high spot in the room. Remember, warm air rises and cool air sinks, so the height really matters. You can also place the bottle in front of a fan to spread the cool air more quickly throughout the room. Don't forget to put a plate underneath to catch the condensation so your furniture or floor doesn't get wet. Now comes the secret ingredient that makes this method so effective. Adding table salt to the water, about 10% salt to 70% water, helps the ice last longer and cool the room more efficiently. With this simple trick, your home will feel pleasantly cool, and you can survive the heat without an air conditioner. When your neighbors see this on your window, they'll think you've lost your mind. A few days later, they'll be doing the exact same thing. Aluminum foil has been used for much more than cooking for many years. Its unique properties make it useful in a variety of ways around the home. Cut a few pieces of aluminum foil so they can easily cover your window. Next, take a kitchen sponge. Add a few drops of dish soap and dampen it with water. Use the sponge to spread the liquid evenly across the entire window. Do not dry the glass. Press the first sheet of aluminum foil onto the wet window and smooth it out carefully. The moisture will help the foil stick without tape or glue. Then lightly wet the foil again and apply another sheet. Repeat the process until the entire window is covered. Smooth each layer carefully, removing air bubbles and wrinkles. Windows are one of the main surfaces through which sunlight and heat enter a home every day. Once installed, the foil creates an extra layer on the glass and reflects a significant portion of the sun's rays before they enter the room. This can help rooms heat up more slowly and make it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature during hot weather. It's a simple and inexpensive trick that many people use in summer to reduce excess heat inside their homes. Don't spend thousands on air conditioning. This pharmacy item costs less than $1. During summer, window glass heats up very quickly. As a result, Large amounts of sunlight enter your home and raise the indoor temperature. It only takes a few minutes of strong sunshine for the glass to start radiating heat into the room. That's why your home gets hotter with every passing hour. On especially hot days, the temperature indoors can quickly become uncomfortable, even if you keep the windows closed. If you don't have air conditioning or exterior shutters, this simple trick may help. A standard emergency blanket has two sides, one silver and one gold. The silver side reflects a large portion of the sun's rays, allowing less heat to reach the window glass. That means less heat is transferred into your home throughout the day. That's exactly why emergency blankets have been used for years to help protect against both high and low temperatures. Fill a spray bottle with plain water. Carefully measure the window and cut the emergency blanket to the right size. Lightly spray the glass with water and press the blanket onto the window. Smooth the surface with a soft cloth, removing any air bubbles. Make sure the silver side faces outside and the gold side faces the room. This helps reflect most of the sun's rays before they can heat up the glass. You'll get the best results on south or west facing windows because they receive the most direct sunlight. It's a simple, inexpensive solution that takes only a few minutes to install and can help reduce indoor heat during hot summer days. If you know someone struggling with the heat at home, be sure to share this trick with them. For years, people in Spain and Italy have placed a bottle of water by the window during hot weather. This simple trick helps reduce how quickly your home heats up and makes your living space much more comfortable on hot summer days. Just take a plastic or glass bottle and fill it with cold water, preferably straight from the refrigerator or with a few ice cubes to help keep the water cold for as long as possible. Then seal the bottle tightly and place it on the windowsill or as close as possible to the window that gets the most direct sunlight. Water heats up much more slowly than the surrounding air, so it can absorb some of the heat coming through the glass. As a result, the room doesn't warm up as quickly, and the indoor temperature stays more stable, more pleasant, and more comfortable throughout the day. It won't cool your home like an air conditioner, but it can make hot weather feel much easier to handle. You'll get even better results if you combine this trick with proper ventilation. Open your windows early in the morning or late in the evening when it's coolest outside. Keep them closed during the day and draw the blinds or curtains to reduce the amount of heat entering your home. Another good option is to hang a damp towel or bed sheet near an open window. As the water slowly evaporates, the passing air feels noticeably cooler, especially if there's a light cross breeze. Combining these simple methods can noticeably improve your comfort during hot weather, even if you don't have air conditioning. It's a small change that can make a surprisingly big difference on hot days.